gonna be a good day. Even if I make it myself, it's gonna be a good day. I don't need no one else, I'm gonna have a good day. Nothing wrong I could do, I'm gonna have a good day. Hope you have a good day too.
Good morning, I'm Trish Pahanik, and this is Synopsis, your first briefing. It's Wednesday, February 27th, 2008, and here is today's top story. Liberty Media crossed two major hurdles in its takeover of DirecTV, the satellite provider with 16.8 million subscribers, as the FCC on Monday approved the move, and the Justice Department said yesterday it would not block the transaction. Both approvals were needed for the $11 billion deal to close. Terms of the agreement state Liberty Media will receive News Corp's 38.4% interest in DirecTV in exchange for Liberty's equity interest in News Corp. Liberty also picks up $550 million in cash and one regional sports network each in Denver, Pittsburgh, and Seattle. We have more coming up, and remember, if you had a promo or a commercial in this video, we would all be watching your stuff right now. Coming up next today under More Good Stuff, Writers Guild's vote to ratify new contract, Misguided gets premiere play following Dancing with the Stars, WWE SmackDown gets new home at My Network TV, and ABC and CBS both order new series while Las Vegas stays dark. Yesterday, members of the WGA West and WGA East voted to ratify the new 3-year contract by 93.6% of the 4,060 votes cast. The contract dates from February 13, 2008 through May 1st of 2011 and includes terms giving writers rights and protections for content distributed on and created for online purposes and other new media platforms. Well, ABC's new 30-minute comedy series, Misguided, starring Judy Greer, will premiere March 18th at 10:30 p.m. following a 90-minute installment of Dancing with the Stars. The sitcom, about a high school teacher who returns to teach at her alma mater, will move to its regular time slot March 20th, with 2 episodes at 8 o'clock and 8:30. And beginning this fall, My Network TV will be the new broadcast television home of WWE SmackDown from WWE. The 2-hour WWE SmackDown will air on My Network TV weekly with a cast of WWE superstars, including Edge, Rey Mysterio, and The Undertaker. Daily Cafe, the live 2-hour weekday program originating from Washington, D.C., will debut on Retirement Living TV on March 3rd at 12 noon. Now new to the show is co-host Fred Grandy, who joins Felicia Taylor. Here, Network announced several series additions and returns happening in March and April. First up, The Ben and Dave Show. It's a topical talk show dishing on a variety of subjects. Cover Guy. It's a reality competition show where guys battle for cash prizes, modeling contracts, and a chance to appear on the cover of gay men's magazines. Sexplorations. Series profiles the world's most unique and exotic sexual beings. And last, Paradise Falls. The adult soap returns for a 3rd season about 10 main characters living in a small coastal town. The Style Network picked up the cable rights to the hidden camera comedy series The Real Wedding Crashers, which originally aired on NBC last year. The series begins on Style on March 4th at 9 p.m. Bravo pumps up for a 3rd season of the docuseries Workout, starting on April 15th, Tax Day, at 11 p.m. The new season follows fitness guru Jackie Warner as she hires 4 new trainers for her Beverly Hills gym and has a new relationship at home. Later, Workout moves to its regular time period of 10 p.m. Tuesdays on April 22nd. In other news today, under production and development, ABC ordered 8 episodes of a new and as yet untitled reality series, a joint effort from Tyra Banks and Ashton Kutcher for Warner Horizon, Bankable Productions, and Catalyst. And CBS ordered The Mentalist, a scripted drama about a mentalist who uses his capabilities to help solve crimes. The project comes from Warner Bros. TV and writer Bruno Heller. And meanwhile, over at NBC, Variety reports drama series Las Vegas from Universal Media Studios will not go back into post-strike production. And on that note, that's a wrap for today. On this Wednesday, February 27th, be sure to check your email for the full printed version of today's synopsis with new executive moves and more on ratings, a whole load of new classified ads, and a few other bits and pieces that did not make it into today's podcast, and of course tonight's primetime broadcast lineup. The music in Synopsis was composed and performed by David Stango, and this podcast is a Synopsis Media production in association with 311 West. For Cynthia Turner, who wrote and compiled Synopsis, in Connecticut, I'm Trish Pahanik.
I'm gonna have a good day. Even if I make it myself, I'm gonna have a good day. I don't need no one else. I'm gonna have a good day. Nothing wrong I could do. I'm gonna have a good day. Hope you have a good day too.